Will market crash this budget? In this video, let me share my view on this budget. I think most of the people knew that now in India financial budget will be provided on 1st of Feb. So what exactly it happens? Our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman will let the people of India know how our government will allocate its financial towards attaining some goals. All the citizens of India, whatever be government employees, private sector employees, small and medium scale industries, all are waiting for this budget. But what is the problem here is people's hope. Why I'm saying this is now each and individual is having very big hope that we will have some stimulus package to be released, or will have hope that some reduction in GST rates, or the individual taxpayer will be looking for the reduction in the income tax slabs. Whatever be, all are waiting for the ray of hope to recover from the COVID pandemic. But what is the reality is, for me, government itself is shortage of income. If you are in the shoes of government, let's see where do we get money for vaccinating 130 crores of population. So government have options like increasing the cess to get money, or they will be increasing the premiums of electronics or cars where the tax the government will get. They will be increasing. We will not get to know the internal matters how it will be acting on them, but on the individuals like the common citizen, definitely he will be having some or other effect due to increase in the tax. I think now the electronics people are saying that there are shortage of diodes because we have to import from the other countries, so that electronics goods are getting increased. Whatever the refrigerators, washing machines, TV appliances, whatever the electronic appliances, everything is getting increased. There is no sector like steel industry, cement industry, whatever it is, we are getting shortage of the raw materials and we are increasing the price. That's what it is happening even without our common knowledge. But if we see our markets, they are not at all related to our country's growth of economy. So if any shortage of the people's friendly policies in our budget, our market might fall. Why I'm saying this is, see, there is no reason like it may not go up if we are getting a proper budget. If say suppose the individuals are getting the tax relief, like any taxpayer, he is getting the tax relief. Definitely he will have money in the hand. So definitely he will put that money, whatever he is getting into his savings, he will try to utilize. Maybe he will be buying small electronic appliances he might buy, like if you are reducing the housing loan interest rates or something, then the individual may take house. By taking house, definitely he has to go to some bank or financial institute to get some money, so that that banking sector will be increasing. Once he gets that, for the raw materials like cement, steel, paints, ceramics, there are a lot of associated products only by decreasing your tax on the interest of housing loan. See, these many are related. Thing is that people are hoping for the best. Like the stimulus package is not enough, so people want more stimulus package. Taxes are being paid more. They want tax reduction. They want some or other thing. But what the problem is, government may not satisfy everyone. Even if it is giving some two or three policies, it is not enough for the people. That is the reason I am saying the market might crash. That is my view anyhow. So let's see how the market is acting. So on my screen, what you are seeing is the Bank Nifty on Friday. See, if you are seeing, the market have fell down and again it went up. There is a wedge pattern which has made, and suddenly it's a breakout and it had moved up. And from there, like from 3 days back, I have shown you the resistance and support lines for the channel breakout. From there, it has have a resistance and it had fell. But the problem is it had fell nearly 1,000 points. That is the big problem. This is all what says like near to 700 points it had fell. Why I'm saying that is the problem is like it is market is acting as per the common trader or a common investor or a common citizen's mindset. See here, this much of rejection is there means people are not willing to take the market so high on that Friday. So if you are seeing last near to 1 hour or so, it is completely on downtrend. So what it exactly says, market even it has a good breakouts or something, even if it is trying to move up, it is definitely waiting for some cost to come down because markets have already pushed up. So this is 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to 1 day time frame to see how it actually looks. What you are seeing is exactly 1 day time frame. This is the candle which got formed for a single day. Like the market has fallen down. and you see there is a very good green candle which made on Thursday. But on Friday, it's a red candle. The market have went up, but it has ended up in the red. So this is something like there is no decision. It is a kind of small doji or pin bar candles kind of thing it is forming. So definitely there is some resistance at this zone, and if you are seeing the market is opening around these things, definitely it will have a shortfall because on budget day it is so volatile. First of all, whatever happens we don't know. Like be cautious on that day if you are trading. Keep a proper stop loss. Without stop loss you don't enter. On a single 5 minutes candle itself you might have feel like some 100 to 200 points it may erode the whatever the premiums it may increase. So very careful on that day. So again, going back to the 15 minutes time frame, let me tell, if you're seeing with your naked eye the complete area, I am feeling that it is forming some kind of breakout scenario we can find. Let me show you what is my view. But see, it always matters where the market will open up. If it is opening up in the same time where the market have closed in the previous days, it's fine. But what is the problem here is this is on Monday what we are seeing, and it's a finance budget day. So the market may open a very big gap up or very good gap down. So at that point of time, you don't continuously short or continuously go long on the first two candles or something. The market have very good chance of reversing back, and you always take very quick profits. So this is the proper Bank Nifty in the 15 minutes time frame. What I am telling you people, like in my naked eye, like I can find some there is some kind of levels it is quite like moving. So I am feeling that it may have a breakout chance. This is my view, guys. Whatever it is, just play according to the stop losses. So for me, I am seeing this is the pattern which will give some either a breakout. If we are getting a proper breakout, you have very good chance of making money. Please watch out for this breakout, and you are getting money, take it in quick times. Like don't wait until to the day ends or something because market will be very much volatile. If I see the India VIX is almost 26, so I don't know if the VIX increases, the premiums will be very much of like increasing or decreasing. So very careful about that and take the profits. Use stop loss for trading. So that's what my view will be like. If the market will be opening around somewhere here, if a small gap up opens or something happens, and we are seeing if we are seeing suddenly it will break out from here means definitely we will have a good fall. That's what my hope is. Let's see if the market falls, it should fall in a big way. If market goes up, we are not sure how much good it may go up. But if it market goes down, it is going to have a very good fall because it's a budget, and what I am saying, it may not help people's mindset, and the satisfaction of the common citizen is very much important for the market to go up. So that's it. This is my view for this budget. We'll see how it works. If it works, it's fine. But always even analyze from yourself and take a trade. Happy trading, guys. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.